present our prototype. Let's go.
This object is a simple homemade car prototype made from recycled materials.
How it works. For wheel and axle, each pair of bottle caps is attached to stick or rod acting as an axle.
Energy source. It is a rubber band car. The rubber band is wound up around the axle. When released, it unwinds and makes the wheels rotate.
Movement type. The car as a whole moves forward in a straight line. That is translational motion. At the same time, the wheels rotate around their axle. That is rotational motion.